Need a Mr. Clean, make that pussy beam. Okay, I just might need a baker, make that pussy cream. Okay, you woke up mad at me before you ain't brush your teeth. That shit super sad. Fucking carpe diem.
What's up, kitty girls? It's your girl Lace Surgeon, and I'm gonna show you how to install your wig glueless. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so I have my wig cap and I'm just cutting my ears out just so it can lay flat while I'm gluing it. And I'm taking gold spine, and it lasts longer to me, and also once you cut your cap, it won't be flying to the back of your head. So I use the gold spine, add 1 coat, and you want to smear it in. And you can dry it. You can use your blow dryer. You can let it air dry. It doesn't matter. Just make sure that it dries clear before you cut it. And you just cut the excess cap off, and you use a concealer or foundation that matches your skin tone. I already wore this wig, so I'm just measuring it to my head to make sure everything fits good. And I'm going to be using a Got To Be Freeze spray just to lay it down. You can spray it on your skin and then lay the lace on and then blow dry it, or you can lay the lace down and then you can spray it on top of the lace and then blow dry it. But I like to use either the comb or my fingers to press it down. It doesn't really matter, and it's secure. So you just want to repeat the process around the front perimeter of your head. Same step, same concept. So you can be extra because now your wig is on. So you want to make sure everything is dry before you decide to do anything else. Okay, so I'm taking this wax stick. You can use the Care wax stick. Doesn't matter. I got this from my local beauty supply. And I'm using an old school pressing comb. So you want to section out some baby hairs so you can swoop them. I'm going to be doing soft baby hairs. And you just take your razor. You don't want them to be too blunt, and you also don't want them to be too short, but you also don't want them to be too long. So I'm taking the Roby. If you're a beginner with this, I would say don't do it in the Roby. You can use like the Got To Be Freeze spray. You can spray it on, swoop it, hold it with your finger or a comb, and then just blow dry it. And you will literally get the same results. I like using both methods. And then you can also comb it out too. Once I'm done swooping my baby hairs, I just take a little scarf or anything, or like, whatever, a little headband, and just let it dry. You can blow dry it, or you can just let it air dry. And yes, I had to take a baby break. So I'm back and they're dry. So I'm just gonna comb it out. Just soften everything up. See what I need to cut, if I need to cut anything, and yeah. So I wanted to make some of them a little shorter. It's just to make it more natural. I'm going to use a concealer 2 shades lighter than me, like, a highlighter or highlight. And I'm putting it in my part, and I'm going to use this black spray to just clean up the part. So I'm going for more of like a messy bedhead look, nothing too uniform. So I'm going to just curl a few pieces in the front because I already had this curled a little bit before the previous time I wore it. And I'm going to cut them out and I like more volume in the front, so I'm gonna do like kind of almost bangs without cutting bangs. So I use the spray just to hold everything where I want it to go, and you can use either your hot comb or you can use your curling wands to keep everything flat and dry it. So you just play with it until you get it however you want it. You can use clips, like if you're gonna do your makeup and everything, you use clips to hold it. It doesn't really matter. I advise you to use clips if you're doing your makeup or getting dressed, just to keep the volume there. So we're all done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping and you ain't.